Hi, I'm Chuck Points, owner of St. Augustine Sailing. This 40th anniversary means to me, it means honoring every hand that built us, every heart that gave to it, and every person who sailed with us. It's not just our legacy, it's all of ours. We've honored past owners by leading with gratitude. We've kept the heart while continuing to grow, adding new experiences, modern systems, and deeper community connection. What's been key to building our team culture? Humility, respect, and shared vision. I know I can't do it all. That's why we surround ourselves with people who are not just skilled, but kind, generous, and curious. What's inspired me the most? Watching the transformation of our guests from nervous first-timers to confident, smiling sailors, and watching our crew grow not just in skill, but in spirit. What I hope the future holds, that St. Augustine Sailing continues to be a place of joy, growth, and adventure. I hope it's always a welcoming space where people find freedom and connection on the water and with each other.